Hello there. Today let's engrave this small piece of wood, using a mini engraving laser machine. So just open the Engraver app. Choose Pictures and select the image we want to engrave. Then choose the black and white engraving mode. And connect to the laser machine via Bluetooth. In here, we adjust the size of the image that would fit into the wood sample. Then we adjust the laser power and laser speed. In here, we will use 50% laser power and 60% laser speed. And then tap Start for file transfer. Always wear eye protection when using laser machine. Use black and white for your sample images and don't use transparent background. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to complete this engraving. Front part is complete. Let's do the other side. Engraving is complete. Now we can use this to make a wooden craft for business. A simple do-it-yourself wooden craft using a mini laser. Thank you so much for watching.